Fast-growing shrubs are ideal for quickly transforming landscapes, providing privacy, structure, and seasonal interest. They offer rapid coverage, making them excellent choices for hedges, screens, or focal points. These vigorous growers adapt well to various conditions and are perfect for gardeners seeking immediate impact with minimal waiting time. Let's quickly explore the best fastest-growing shrubs to grow. Buddleja davidi, commonly known as butterfly bush, is one of the fastest-growing shrubs, prized for its rapid growth and ornamental value. It can reach heights of 6 to 12 feet in just 1 or 2 growing seasons under ideal conditions. This deciduous shrub thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, producing long, arching branches covered in dense clusters of fragrant flowers. Its ability to establish quickly makes it ideal for filling garden gaps or creating colorful borders. Tolerant of drought and poor soil, it requires minimal care once established and attracts a wide variety of pollinators, especially butterflies and bees. Hydrangea paniculata is a fast-growing deciduous shrub known for its large, cone-shaped flower clusters that bloom from mid to late summer. It can grow 6 to 8 feet tall in just a few seasons and adapts well to various soil types, preferring full sun to partial shade. This shrub is valued for its vigorous growth, ease of maintenance, and ability to provide long-lasting floral displays. The blooms often start white and gradually turn pink or green as the season progresses. Hardy and resilient, Hydrangea paniculata is ideal for borders, hedges, or as a striking focal point in the landscape. Ceanothus thyraciflorus, commonly known as California lilac, is a fast-growing evergreen shrub admired for its vibrant blue flower clusters and glossy green foliage. Native to the West Coast, it typically grows 6 to 10 feet tall, forming a dense, rounded shape ideal for borders, hedges, or wildlife gardens. Blooming in spring, its nectar-rich flowers attract bees, butterflies, and other pollinators. This drought-tolerant shrub thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, making it a valuable choice for low-water landscapes. With its rich color, rapid growth, and minimal maintenance needs, Ceanothus thyraciflorus adds both beauty and ecological value to the garden. Hibiscus syriacus, commonly known as Rose of Sharon, is a fast-growing deciduous shrub admired for its showy, trumpet-shaped flowers that bloom from midsummer to fall. Capable to reach the heights of 8 to 12 feet in just a few years, it thrives in full sun and well-drained soil. This hardy shrub tolerates heat, drought, and urban conditions, making it a versatile choice for various landscapes. Its upright growth habit and continuous blooming make it ideal for hedges, screens, or specimen plantings. Requiring minimal care once established, Hibiscus syriacus adds vibrant color and attracts pollinators like bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds to the garden. Syringa vulgaris, commonly known as common lilac, is a fast-growing deciduous shrub celebrated for its fragrant, abundant spring blooms. It typically reaches 8 to 15 feet in height and spreads quickly, making it an excellent choice for hedges or borders. Thriving in full sun and well-drained soil, this hardy shrub tolerates cold climates and is relatively low maintenance once established. Its lush green foliage provides a vibrant backdrop to the clusters of purple, pink, or white flowers. Known for its classic, nostalgic scent, Syringa vulgaris attracts pollinators and adds enduring charm to gardens with both beauty and seasonal fragrance. Weigela florida is a vigorous, fast-growing shrub appreciated for its elegant form and abundant flowering. Growing quickly to about 5 to 7 feet tall and wide, it features arching stems that become covered in bell-shaped blooms during late spring, with occasional repeat flowering in summer. It performs best in full sun and well-drained soil, though it tolerates a range of garden conditions. The blossoms, in shades of pink, red or white, stand out against the lush green or variegated foliage, depending on the variety. Low maintenance and reliable, Weigela florida adds color, movement, and wildlife interest to garden borders and beds. Philadelphus coronarius, widely known as mock orange, is a robust and swiftly maturing shrub prized for its intensely fragrant, creamy white blossoms. Typically growing 6 to 10 feet tall, it develops a rounded, fountain-like shape and flourishes in a range of light and soil conditions, preferring full sun to partial shade. Blooming in late spring, its flowers release a sweet orange blossom scent that fills the air and draws bees and butterflies. With its lush green foliage and graceful form, this hardy plant suits mixed borders, naturalistic landscapes, or as a seasonal highlight. It requires little upkeep and delivers long-lasting seasonal charm. Cotinus cogigrea, commonly called smoke bush, is a fast-growing ornamental shrub admired for its dramatic foliage and unique, smoky flower plumes. It reaches 10 to 15 feet in height. It develops an airy, upright form and thrives in sunny locations with well-drained soil. Its rounded leaves emerge in rich shades of green, purple, or burgundy depending on the variety, often turning brilliant colors in autumn. In early summer, the shrub produces wispy, cloud-like flower clusters that give it a hazy, smoke-like appearance. Drought-tolerant and easy to manage, Cotinus cogigrea adds bold texture and color to garden borders or landscape focal points. Spirea japonica is a fast-growing, compact shrub valued for its colorful foliage and clusters of small, vibrant flowers. Typically reaches 2 to 6 feet in height and width, it features a dense, mounding shape that works well in borders, mass plantings, or foundation beds. This adaptable plant performs best in full sun and well-drained soil but tolerates a range of conditions. Blooming from late spring through summer, its pink or reddish flowers attract pollinators and provide extended seasonal interest. With minimal maintenance needs and a tidy growth habit, Spirea japonica is a reliable choice for adding color and texture to the landscape. Physocarpus opulifolius, known as ninebark, is a vigorous, fast-growing shrub admired for its textured bark, striking foliage, and clustered blooms. Reaching heights of 5 to 10 feet, it forms a rounded, arching shape and thrives in full sun to partial shade with well-drained soil. Its colorful leaves, ranging from deep burgundy to golden green depending on the variety, add strong visual contrast in garden settings. In late spring to early summer, it produces small, creamy white or pinkish flowers followed by red seed capsules. Its peeling bark reveals layered tones, especially in winter. Hardy and low maintenance, ninebark suits hedges, screens, or naturalistic landscapes. Photinia fraseri, commonly known as red-tip photinia, is a fast-growing evergreen shrub prized for its striking red new growth that matures to glossy green. It typically grows 10 to 15 feet tall and wide, making it ideal for hedges, screens, or large foundation plantings. Thriving in full sun and well-drained soil, it forms a dense, upright shape and responds well to pruning. In spring, clusters of small white flowers may appear, adding seasonal interest. Valued for both its ornamental foliage and vigorous growth, red-tip photinia is a bold, low-maintenance choice for adding year-round structure and color to landscapes. Buxus fastigiata, commonly known as a pride boxwood, is a moderately fast-growing evergreen shrub with a narrow, columnar habit. Typically reaches 4 to 8 feet in height, it is valued for its dense, upright form and small, glossy green leaves that remain vibrant year-round. It performs best in full sun to partial shade and well-drained soil, tolerating regular pruning to maintain its shape. This versatile shrub is ideal for formal gardens, hedges, borders, or container planting, where structure and symmetry are desired. Low maintenance and adaptable, Buxus fastigiata adds elegance and architectural interest to a variety of landscape settings. Forsythia intermedia is a vigorous, fast-growing shrub celebrated for its early spring display of bright yellow flowers that appear before the foliage. It reaches 8 to 10 feet in height and width. It grows rapidly and develops an arching, fountain-like form. This deciduous hybrid thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, tolerating a variety of conditions, including urban environments. Its golden blooms are among the first signs of spring, bringing vibrant color to the landscape. Easy to grow and requiring minimal care, Forsythia intermedia is ideal for borders, informal hedges, or mass plantings where bold seasonal impact is desired. Prunus laurocerasus, commonly known as cherry laurel, is a fast-growing evergreen shrub valued for its dense foliage and versatility in landscaping. Typically grows 10 to 20 feet tall, it forms a lush, upright structure ideal for hedges, privacy screens, or windbreaks. Its broad, glossy green leaves provide year-round interest, while small white flower spikes bloom in spring, followed by dark berries. Cherry laurel thrives in full sun to partial shade and adapts to a range of soil types. Hardy and low maintenance, it responds well to pruning and offers a dependable solution for creating a living barrier or structured garden backdrop. Ligustrum ovalifolium, commonly known as California privet, is a fast-growing, semi-evergreen shrub widely used for hedging and screening. It typically reaches 10 to 15 feet in height and forms a dense, upright structure that responds well to regular pruning. Thriving in full sun to partial shade and tolerant of various soil types, it establishes quickly and is highly adaptable. In late spring to early summer, it produces clusters of small, creamy white flowers that are mildly fragrant, followed by small black berries. Durable and low maintenance, Ligustrum ovalifolium is an excellent choice for creating structured, leafy boundaries in both formal and informal landscapes.